Welcome to my new brother Rajashri. We already have our pajamas on. He's just dressing. It takes him 500 hours. So he's gonna brush my hair tonight. Yeah, you're gonna brush my hair.
I'm not a girly.
Wishing you off. So we just back, guys. My brother was acting stupid. Don't mind. Okay, so we are just gonna hang out in our room. Oh no! Don't mind the plait. I did it. He's gonna plait my hair also. Don't mind him. He's freaking annoying. Yeah, he's annoying like his cousins. The girl ones, not the boys.
I come to bring my 70.
Gosh, don't keep me down, lovely. We loving you. So don't come to that place. That's just my grandma's house, and she's gonna hit you with a walkie stick.
Come bring my 70.
That's my grandma's house. We lottery in Johannesburg. Why quick? If Cleveland is listening, if Cleveland is listening to this, I'm gonna hit you. You must come to bring my 70 now, my bro. Oh, don't worry, that is free Cleveland. Come, start brushing my hair. Stop brushing my hair. Don't mind me.
Okay.
Come, take off my pom-pom and do something.
Wait, don't come keep your coin.
Then I'm gonna brush.
Cleveland, come on, my bro.
My son.
Okay.
It's
Come on,
not.
bro.
Okay, don't mind, he's mad. Ow!
Sorry.
I'll just unloosen the plate because he's pushing me so.
Easy, man.
Don't. Let me take it off, bro. That's not
Cleveland.
You have to go get the comb so you can comb out my hair. It's in the black bag. It's in the black.
Cleveland, you're Muffy. I believe.
Guys, like and subscribe. If you think I must eat my brother.
Guys, I'm coming for you.
Okay.
Cleveland, I'm a SCP. I'm coming for you. And you see this brush now? You plekkers is brush. But I'm also gonna.
Was he roasting the people?
I'm white. I'm a SP. I'm a SPC. SPC 094. I'm coming for you. I can turn around. Please. Okay.
He's white, no? He's white like milk.
You black this brush.
Okay. He's white like a techie shoe.
You black this brush.
Put
That's
me
your
on.
profile, but I made my YouTube channel.
Ow! Bruh.
Okay.
I was gonna roast you.
Okay, no roasting. I don't like
What must it go quickly out of the room? Guys, my son doesn't brush his teeth. His teeth is yellow like the sun. Okay. My son can come in.
Now you black like this pom-pom.
You guys, we're gonna just roast a little bit so and while he's gonna come up my
Chill, bro.
Guys, you must take a chill pill. If you're gonna pull my hair, I'm gonna move. Otherwise, I'm gonna roast. He's scared for me, bruh. Because I roast quiet. Let me just come out my ears.
How you come?
So, guys, come we have a roast battle then.
No, thank
You see, because I'm better than him, guys. I'm better than
you. You have to
him.
come brush your hair. Don't come quiet.
Because I'm better than him, guys.
Guys, I'm flat. No, Serena. She keep it up me.
Okay, you wanna roast? Okay, you wanna roast? Okay. Guys, my son thinks he's flesh, but a turtle can beat him. Guys, my son thinks he looks nice with his flat hair,
You know what can beat you?
Shut up, bruh. A cockroach can't beat me. I kill it first,
is
bruh.
slower than a dinosaur's foot.
Okay, guys,
A turtle.
do you know what happened? My son, he has so a big forehead, that he has to make his hair flat in the body. And then his hair looks like, for only one ton.
Goofy ass chicken.
Guys, my son only has one tooth, don't mind. He looks like he has a lot, but it's fake.
Cleveland, I'm gonna call you Chicken Jockey for life.
My son, I'm gonna call you Poopy Pants for life because, guys, I'm gonna tell you something embarrassing about my son. Last night he was playing with my grandma, na? And then he had a poop, na? But then he had.
Isn't that a spa?
It was my grandma. I'm gonna do a dance. My son quickly hold the phone.
I do a popo dance.
Okay. Hold the dance.
Okay,
Hold
okay.
it like that. 1, 2, 3, go. Wait.
Fetano, fetan. Okay, okay. Dum 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 dum.
My son can't stop from looking at it.
Oh, sorry.
Stupid. 1, 2, 3, go. Coco Chanel. Go. Ah!
She act like Fetty Fetty Boom Boom from the Coco Chanel. Coco Chanel.
Guys,
Wait, come, I'll show you my dance.
do the Coco Chanel dance. Yeah.
First Coco Chanel, then my
Okay.
dance. Coco Chanel. Coco Chanel. Okay, okay. Now my dance. That dance. Wait, quick. I can do it on two.
Mama. What?
Coco Chanel. Pause. Wait. Wait. You guys know the sound.
Coco Chanel.
Wait, quick.
No, like this. You call me black and white. Okay, come get on brush my hair. Now I'm gonna brush my hair because this is
Don't worry, guys, I'm making. Watch out. Come, show what you want. Come, guys. Wait up. What you want?
Why, sir? Are you like my new
Mia.
Guys.
Okay, guys, I'm joking. Nobody put in the videos today. Nobody put in the videos today. Nobody.
Pa, thank you.
Are you gonna fart? Dito ko lang. Galing.
Boys, let my son show his foot, please. His pajama foot. Come, show your pajama foot.
It's good. It's my pen. It's my t-shirt. Well, look what I can do.
So that's my pajama t-shirt. So I got my pink pants, my pink top, and my black slippers, morning slippers. Actually nice slippers. My morning slippers, I'm not wearing them. I have 2 pairs of slippers. My brother only have 1.
What?
I have a night slipper and a morning slipper, and then my
I have my dinosaur slippers and I have my black slippers.
okay, bye. Toodles. We're gonna spend the night.